Hello everyone. Konnichiwa. It is spring in the northern hemisphere, and in Japan they are celebrating the Hanami Festival, the festival of flower viewing. In honor of the festival, I will recite a haiku. Wind blowing spring blossoms. I saw it in a dream, and when I awoke, I felt the fluttering in my heart. Isn't that wonderful? Thank you. Arigato. Go out and see the flowers and feel the springtime in your